Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how you can build a Titan AI Shopify store where I'm going to give you the review of this service and I'm going to explain to you how it works. We're going to try to build like a Shopify page from the scratch, okay? From the copy, the layout, the images, the text, pretty much everything, okay? So let's just go and it's going to take us under 2 minutes. After we finish the tutorial, we're also going to cover like the pricing and whether it's worth it or not. But the short version is that you can actually build something in 2 minutes and it's pretty good. So let's start. So guys, it's very important to mention that you can start a free trial and you're going to require to have like a Shopify store already, okay? So you're going to have to click on install and yes, you're going to have to log into an existing Shopify account. So let's go. So guys, always remember that you can start like a free trial on Shopify for 3 days, and then it's gonna cost you $1 per month for 3 months. With that being said, you're gonna have to click on install to give Titan access to your Shopify store, okay? Then it's gonna take you to this little dashboard with the application, and now you can basically start your free trial for the pro plan. I want you to be very careful, guys, because this charge is going to be charged to your primary method of payment instead of Shopify. Okay, so you have to be really, really careful about this. If you're ready, you can click on approve, and then we're just going to click on start building my store now. All right, and I'm just going to click it for single product store, but you can also do multi-product store if you have the pro plan and above. Now we're going to have to select our niche, which in my case is going to be the pets. Okay. And guys, this is very important because you're gonna have to have some products in your Shopify store. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to use this. So if not, just click on products and add a product. Now we have to select our product and then we have to select the theme. Now you're gonna have to choose between the Titan Pro and the Titan Lite. I'm always gonna recommend you choose the Titan Pro because it's gonna be more optimized for certain products and it's gonna be more converting. So just select this one. And finally, we're gonna add a theme, which is gonna be like a test theme. And this is basically gonna open another page to show us the theme and to show us how it looks. And if we're happy with it, we can just click on try. So this can take a couple of minutes to kind of create the whole page together because it's gonna have to pull up the images and the theme together. Now once this is done, you can just select this theme in the other page and click on build my store. And once again, that's gonna take a couple of minutes at most. Now guys, the pictures are gonna be really important if you want to have success. So you're gonna have to drop here like I recommend 4 to 5 images. But yeah, if you don't have any of them, what you can do is you can generate them with AI by clicking in here. So I recommend you select like lifestyle or minimalist or luxury, and then just upload the image that you have for your t-shirt or your pet. Now when this is done, you're gonna have to click on generate, and that's gonna start creating some AI images. Now, as you can see, after a couple of minutes, it's going to generate a bunch of images, and you're going to have to select the ones that you like the most and just download them, because we're going to have to upload them later on. So just click on download with the ones that you like. And then you can just come to your image or to your page in here and upload the 4 images. Now, something that I forgot to mention is that you're gonna have to upload them in JPG extension, okay? So if you have them in other extension like PNG, you're gonna have to convert them. So you need 4 in total for the product gallery and just 1 for the hero banner. Once this is done, you can click on continue. Let's go. You can also upload a logo, but this is completely optional, so let's just continue. Now just select your theme in terms of the colors, how this is gonna look. You have a bunch of them, but you can even build your own with a primary color and an accent. But I like something like carbon and bronze or slate and copper. So let's go. Once this is ready, it's gonna take a couple of minutes because it's gonna have to put all of the text together for your t-shirt and kind of make it look good and create like a custom website. So just be patient. Okay, when this is ready, just click on continue and we're gonna review the whole thing. So let's click on import to Shopify, and this is the final step, guys. Once again, just be patient and wait for 3 to 4 minutes because it has to import it into Shopify code. Now this is the Padlet store, and as you can see, it looks really fantastic. And the good thing about Titan is that it doesn't lock your app in their own like ecosystem because this is a normal Shopify store. So from here, you can just edit it like any other Shopify theme or any other Shopify store just by clicking on the elements and just changing them as you can do in Shopify. Okay. But as you can see, the design feels really, really premium and I didn't touch anything at all. So this is fantastic. Now let's talk about the part that is going to make you decide whether to keep this or not, which is the pricing. So guys, you have three basic plans, like the basic, the pro, and the plus, but only you're gonna get like a 7-day free trial in the basic and the pro. If you get the plus, you're not gonna get a 7-day free trial. Now, guys, to be honest with you, I do not recommend the basic because that way you're only gonna get like a single product AI store builder, but you're not gonna be able to use the importer or to have like multiple products in your store, okay? Which is not gonna be good for most of you. So, a quick summary is that Titan does what it claims. You can build something very, very quick and it's gonna look very, very good. And you can have it in your Shopify store forever. So what I recommend you do, guys, is try the Pro plan with a 7-day free trial. See if you like it. And if you don't like it, you can cancel before 7 days without a problem at all. Okay? But yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much.